How many hours have you wasted rebuilding architecture docs from scratch? Fragmented tools, inconsistent formats. It's like playing Jenga with your system's knowledge. This pack arms you with 12 customizable ADR templates for decision records, C4 diagram frameworks from level 1 system context to container diagrams, ISO standard system context mapping guidelines, and decision impact analysis worksheets that track technical debt like a profiler. Whether you're a lead architect sweating through an audit, a DevOps engineer drowning in tribal knowledge, or a tech lead onboarding new hires, this is your fire extinguisher. Documentation shouldn't be a part-time job. Here's what's inside the Architecture Documentation Pack. Version-controlled ADR template generator with Markdown and Mermaid.js support. C4 model framework for creating system context diagrams, container diagrams, and component diagrams. Decision impact analysis worksheets that map technical debt to business risks. System context mapping guidelines with external dependency visualization. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere. Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Documentation that actually evolves with your system. Imagine that. Installing the Architecture Documentation Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add architecture-docs-pack. That's it. It downloads 12 architecture phases, including ADR workflows, C4 diagram templates, system context blueprints, and decision impact frameworks. Your next Claude code session picks up the templates automatically. Your AI assistant now speaks the language of C4 diagrams, understands ADR versioning, and can auto-generate context maps from API specs. Documentation that integrates with your stack, not another tool to learn.